we're just going to make a cap for this shallow well. You look down in there, the water's down there maybe, 3 feet maybe. But we're just going to cap this off so nothing can get in there. So you can see I've made it to where I can put that. I've wrapped it tightly around the well pipe so that it won't sink down when I put the weight of the mortar mix on there. Alright, let's go ahead and mix up the mortar. So you can see it didn't take much effort there. So this is one way that you can seal off the shallow well pipe coming up out of the ground.